Ah, right, so this Lick Friday is slightly different to the last ones in the sense we don't have a backing track this week, so you can practice it over anything A minor for what it's written out like. If you wanted to change key, obviously change key. So that's that really. So the reason that this one's slightly different, I was just mucking around basically, and I enjoyed this lick when I played it. So, but I played it fast. And it's just a nice fluid lick, which you can just apply into any of your playing. So let's just jump in with the actual lick, which you heard at the beginning. Yes, you did, but with this time slightly different. So we're going to be using chords with the lick in between, and then the lick in between again. So it goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that's it, right? So it's easy enough for you to tackle. It's a nice bite-sized lick, and it is actually a lick rather than a phrase like the past few weeks. So what we've got, just breaking it down just quickly, is a full tone bend on that 3rd string, letting it back down, and as soon as you've let it back down, don't hang on that 7th fret. You want to be sliding up to the 8, back down to the 7, and then pulling off to the 5. So you get that kind of sound. I'll try and slow it down, but it doesn't really work as well. So it's pretty much like that. Okay. And after you've done that, slide up, slide down, and then pull off to the 5. You finish with the 7 on the A of D string, vibrato, and then the C note, which is your minor 3rd on that 5th fret 3rd string. Okay, so what you can also do with this is take it in the octaves. So up there, and which is, I hate that one. Don't like the lower one. It's it bugs me because I can't play it basically. Anyway, so we've got, that was close, really. So try them in any key as well. So not only in A, but put them in maybe, I don't know, what could you do? Let's go G. You know, you can do anything with them, and they're such a great lick to improve your soloing skills. But as I said, this is a lick this week. So if you do like this video, please do consider giving it a thumbs up, hitting that like button, share button, all the buttons that you could possibly do, the super things. That'll be nice. And I'll see you next week for week 360. Yep. 360 licks to go through. If you're starting new this week, hello, and yeah, you got a lot of lick learning to do, right? So enjoy. I'll see you next week. Patreon, everything is all linked below. See you next week again. Bye.